Another function of the muscular system is breathing. When inhaling occurs, the intercostal muscles help to move the rib cage up and out. The diaphragm is forced down when breathing. When exhaling happens, the intercostal muscles help move the rib cage back down and in, and the diaphragm goes back into the relaxed dome shape. An extension to this would be when heavier breathing occurs, for example when exercising. The accessory muscles will help to move the rib cage more up and more out, and the thoracic cage more out and bigger, so that the most amount of oxygen can be breathed into the lungs. Another function of the muscular system is heat reduction. An example of this would be shivering when you're cold to make yourself hotter, or when exercising, heat goes to the surface so that it can leave our body easily. When you're hot or cold, your thermoreceptors respond to make your temperature even. Cold, your blood vessels automatically vasoconstrict to reduce the amount of blood that is going to the surface of your body, and so heat isn't lost. However, when you are cold, your blood vessels vasodilate so that the most amount of heat can be put to the surface of your skin and leave your body. The next function of the muscular system is the construction of organs and vessels. The muscular walls are thick because blood flows at high speeds, for example through arteries. Most of the organs are smooth muscles. The tissue of the walls in your esophagus, stomach, and swollen muscles, for example, smooth muscle tissue in the walls of your esophagus, stomach, and small and large intestine produce rhythmic contractions. This helps to move the food through your digestive system. Your blood vessels are also built in a way where they can vasodilate and vasoconstrict for heat. Overall, the construction of blood vessels are smooth muscle so that blood can be easily moved through them.